Welcome back to Math 109 Plain Trigonometry. In this video, we're going to take a look at just some examples of what we can do working with reference angles. So the first example we're going to look at is the tangent of 315 degrees. So when you draw this out, we will find that 315 degrees is in the fourth quadrant. So using what we derived at the end of the last video, we get that theta prime is equal to 360 minus 315, or 45 degrees. So we know that the absolute value of the tangent of 315 degrees is equal to the tangent of 45 degrees. And from the last section, we figured out the tangent of 45 degrees is equal to 1. So now we just need to look at whether the tangent is positive or negative at that angle. So we're in the fourth quadrant. We remember the mnemonic, all students take calculus. So in the fourth quadrant, only the sine or cosine is positive. That means the tangent there is negative. So we get tangent of 315 degrees is equal to negative 1. So that's one type of example you'll see out of this. The other example that you're likely to see would be if I gave you the cosine of theta is equal to the negative square root of 2 over 2, and I will give you that theta is in the interval 0 to 360 degrees, including the 0 but not including 360. So, we're going to look at where the cosine is square root of 2 over 2 in the first quadrant. And we'll recall that is at 45 degrees, so that means our reference angle has to be 45 degrees. Now we need to look at where the cosine is negative. Again, thinking back to the mnemonic, all students take calculus. Cosine is positive in the first and fourth quadrants, therefore it's negative in the second and third quadrants. So for the second quadrant one, it would be 180 minus 45 degrees. And the second one, you would need 180 plus 45 degrees. So our options for theta are 135 or 225, and those are both in degrees. So these are the two basic examples that you'll see working with reference angles for now. Of course, we will develop this more as we go later in the course. So that does it for section 2.2. We're not going to cover a lot out of section 2.3 of the text. So with the next set of videos, we're mainly going to be focusing on section 2.4.